Right now, somewhere in your day, a 15-second clip just replaced a thought you were about to have. We call it brain rot like it's a joke. I mean, something to laugh off. But it's not a joke, it's erosion. Slow, quiet, and it doesn't leave a mark you can point to. No bruise, no number on a scale moving. Just a version of you that used to finish books, now scrolling past 1,000 fragments a day and holding on to none of them. Try this. Name 5 videos you watched yesterday. Can't do it, can you? Now name 3 real moments from the same day. Easier. That's not a coincidence. That's your brain telling you exactly what it was, built to hold on to, and what it wasn't. Here's the part nobody explains to you. Your brain runs on the same law your body does. Use it or lose it. Sit still long enough and your legs forget how to run. Feed your mind nothing but 3-second fragments, and it forgets how to sit with one idea for longer than that. Not because you got weaker, because you trained it to. Look at the actual math. 3-4 hours a day, most people hand over without noticing. That's not a snack. That's a quarter of your waking life, every single day, for years. Multiply it out, and you're not talking about hours. You're talking about years of your life spent, and you won't be able to tell anyone what you got for it. Now stack AI on top of it. Every time something else finishes the thought for you, writes the message, plans the argument, holds the memory, that muscle goes quiet too. Convenience and atrophy look identical from the inside. You feel fine. You're still losing ground. Every person actually building something, a body, a skill, a life they don't want to escape from, treats their attention like it's the one asset nobody can print more of, because it is. And right now, you're trading it for nothing. Not memories, not skill, not rest, just noise, gone the second it ends. This isn't about deleting the apps and pretending that's discipline. It's about deciding your mind is worth more than the next 3 seconds. Put the phone down mid-scroll today. Just once. Notice how loud the silence is. That discomfort. That's not boredom. That's your attention trying to come back online. Ego upgrade starts the moment you stop outsourcing your own mind.